Overview of clinical trials. Hello and welcome back. In our last two videos, we have been delving into clinical data management. Today, we are going to step back and take a broader look at where all this data comes from: clinical trials. Understanding clinical trials is key to understanding the role of clinical data management. What are clinical trials? Clinical trials are research studies performed on humans to evaluate the efficacy and safety of new drugs, medical devices, or therapies. They are a crucial step in the medical research process, providing scientists with data on how these treatments work in the human body and if they have any side effects. Phases of clinical trials. Clinical trials typically proceed through 4 phases. Phase 1 involves a small group of people and focuses on safety and dosage. Phase 2 involves more participants and aims to further assess safety and efficacy. Phase 3 involves large groups of people to confirm effectiveness, monitor side effects, and compare the treatment to commonly used alternatives. Phase 4 occurs after the treatment has been marketed. These trials gather information on the drug's effect in various populations and any side effects associated with long-term use. Data collection in clinical trials. Throughout these phases, researchers collect vast amounts of data. This includes participant information, dosage and timing details, efficacy data, adverse reactions, and so much more. The tools used for data collection can range from traditional paper case report forms to electronic data capture systems. The role of data in clinical trials. This data is at the heart of clinical trials. It informs every decision, from changes in dosage to whether or not a drug is effective. The data can also provide valuable insights that lead to new hypotheses and future research directions. Clinical trials are the bridge between medical research and real-world healthcare solutions. They are a complex, vital part of medical advancement, and clinical data management plays an essential role in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the data gathered. In our next video, we will delve deeper into the process of data collection in clinical trials. Stay tuned.